Let's tell the divers to meet you at the boat ramp and we can do whatever. Hearing the last about the divers.
He's pointing at us. They're pointing at us.
Yes, the diver units need to go to the Davis Island.
You got anybody else?
For the Marine unit.
Alright. We'll get him on our boat.
I used to see if I did see the
Just stay right there. It's right there. You see it? Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, we see it. You want to tell him we got it? You're the only occupant? Ray 5, we got a passenger coming on board. He's 10-4. The other 3 are on the jet skis. Okay. And the helicopter is submerged right behind us on the south side of us.
Yeah. Thank you. I got it. Would I have a seat up for you, all right? Oh yeah, Yeah, the land was like good. It was like the cushion was good.
You got a boat you want to throw out?
The engine quit on me. Yeah, I'm glad you guys all got out, man. Thanks. Yeah. Grab a seat, take it easy. We'll get you back to shore with your occupants. We'll come back.
I'm gonna do a man over. Alright. Right in front of the house.
Marine 5, any reason to have another boat?
Any reason to have another boat? We got FWC coming.
Yeah.
Marine 5, 1054 on another boat. We have a sheriff's office coming out behind us, and we'll see what we need to do. We're going boat ramp? Yeah.
Diver 2 to the Marine units. I'm out here with fire rescue. They're going to head to the boat ramp. Confirming you guys have passengers on board.
Marine 5, 10-4. We got 1 passenger on board. We're 51 to the boat ramp on the 7 channel side. The other occupants are on the jet skis, almost 51 or 97 at that point.
Correct. Yeah.
So we're all under you kind of the boat all just kind of tactical stuff.
Sorry, I wish I had a jacket to give you. No, don't worry about it.
This is about as close as we're going to be able to get.
And then what's your phone number? 561 We're going to have you hop out the door and you're going to have to go shore. That's in the water. We got to cover all that. Just hold on to the railing because we got this weight coming through. Yeah, we're just going to drop them right here. Thank you, though. You're about to go over.
Yeah, just hold on a second.
Go ahead. Yeah, I would just go reverse.
Yeah, I am.
You're clear. Go ahead. Good. Watch the bow, guys. We got to swing around. Don't have time for the photos. All right, we have to mark this.
All right, who divers are we going to pick up?
Grab your info, real quick. You brought them back, right? Yeah. We want to make sure we get your info so we can include you on that. What's your first name?
Brett. B-R-E-T-T.
Brett?
Yep.
Last name?
Gabbert. G-A-B-B-E-R-T.
Who was the other? Do you have his info or?
They're both my brothers.
Okay. So, who your brother's name?
Tyler Gabbert and Blaine Gabbert.
Way to be in the right spot, man, at the right time.
We didn't see him go down, so.
You just saw him in the water, or? Okay.
We got him in the corner.
Okay.
We're going back out with some water.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. I got your number. We'll be in touch.
Traffic.
The diver units need to go to the Davis Island.
Traffic.
And for the Marine unit, you should be able to see the rotor sticking up just to your left.
Lake 546, right on whiskey, ground point 7.
Just be advised, HCSOs asking you.
Traffic. Peter Knight traffic, runway 422 is temporarily closed.
I got him off our nose up
Yeah,
there.
Peter Knight traffic at Cherokee's going to enter right downwind for 36, Peter Knight.
They're coming on board, he's 10-4. The other three are on the jet skis, and the helicopter is submerged right behind us on the south side of us.
Peter Knight traffic, helicopter PD4 just off the approach end of runway 4, 200 feet for Peter O.
If it's totally submerged, is there a buoy that you can throw in there to mark it?
Air 1, the one of the rotors is just sticking up above the surface of the water. So, but they will need to mark it with something.
And Knight traffic at Cherokee turning in the right stage, 36, Peter Knight.
Diver 6.
Peter Knight traffic, Skylane 3 Yankee, number 2, left base, 36.
Marine 5, 754 on another boat. We have the sheriff's office coming out behind us. We'll see what we need to do.
Diver 2 to the Marine units. I'm out here with fire rescue. They're going to head to the boat ramp. Confirming you guys have passengers on board.
And Knight traffic, Cherokee turning final, 36, Peter Knight.
We got one passenger on board. We're 51 to the boat ramp on the 710.
Yankee number 236 behind the Cherokee, Peter Knight traffic.
One left, clear to land, Fairwick 3.
712, I'm 97 at the boat ramp. It's kind of packed, so I'll stop the boat from launching.
They've closed 422. Everyone should be staying east of us.
Fire rescue, you just wave them down.
Peter Road traffic, I got 924 Bravo Alpha. We are 3 miles to the south, 36 Peter O.